As you can tell, I'm not a film pro. Okay. Hello, my name is Padders96, aka your boy Liam. How's it going? So some of you may know, I've been missing for quite some time, and the one question a lot of you may have had is, where have you been? Basically, work. Yeah, it's not easy. Working full time at the moment has just been an absolute killer. It really has. Over the last few months, I've just been absolutely working non-stop, and on top of that, I also contracted the dreaded COVID-19. Not good. So yeah, basically, that's two excuses. And then on top of that, I will also admit that I got slightly burnt out when I was streaming as well. So again, I apologise for my absence. So, what does this mean? Firstly, this video is entitled to be an apology to anyone that was watching me while I was streaming a few months ago. I think it's been like maybe 4 or 5 months. I haven't really checked. And again, to anyone that supported me, I know we got a lot of donations and a lot of support back then. So again, I just apologise for being absent and really not saying anything. I know a few people have reached out to me via DMs, Twitter, Twitch. So to anyone that's done that, I thank you. I've been okay. But yeah, that's pretty much the reason why I've been gone. So this isn't just an apology. This is a video to basically just update you on where I am, what I'm doing, and the situation. So going forward, I really want to create more videos, especially like this on YouTube. I also still want to stream. I'm not saying I'm going to stop streaming at all, but I just, I want to widen my options, if you will. I want to entertain as many people as I possibly can, and as good as Twitch streaming is, I feel like I can entertain a lot more people as well via YouTube. So there'll be a video coming out fairly soon on the channel. It's a Yu-Gi-Oh unboxing of the King's Court set. It's not the most recent one, but it's one of the more recent ones. Just to see if I can basically pull a Joker's Knight, which is one of the cards from that box set, if you will. Highly doubt I will, but you never know. So stay tuned for that. As I say, going forward, there's going to be plenty more content between both. I can't say dates, timescales, because again, my schedule is all over the place, so I can only apologise for that. So it will be sporadic. You'll see the odd video appear here, the odd stream there, but it is coming, and I haven't forgot about you at all, and I can only thank you guys for not forgetting about me. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this video. I'm also looking to come up with new ideas for the channel as well. So I don't know, maybe Let's Plays, that sort of thing. If it's your style, that's why I'm doing the unboxing of the Yu-Gi-Oh as well, just in case anyone's interested in that. And yeah, basically just want to give you more content, whether that be little shorts, videos, vlogs, whatever it may be. Let me know in the comments what you want to see. That rhymed. But yeah, short and sweet. As you see, just wanted to get straight to the point and let you guys know that I am okay. Yeah, everything's okay, and hopefully going forwards you'll see a little bit more of me. I really need to sort schedules out and start making more time for content, whether it be this or streaming. So yeah, again, thank you for your patience. I also want to say thank you to anyone again that did donate or subscribe to me on Twitch. It was a real big help, and it's helped me fund through my pocket, as well as your own, a new gaming PC that I'm hoping to use a little bit more, whether that comes to editing or streaming, and we'll get him up on the work service now so you can take a look at what you guys have helped me invest in. So here she is. This is my new gaming PC. Again, thanks to you guys. So in terms of what she is, I will post the specs down below in the description, because I don't really know myself and I needed a little bit of help building this PC, and it's been quite some time since I last built it, so I will post the specs in the description below. I certainly will be doing a video at some point in the future showing all of the RGBs, so all of the colour schemes on the inside, just how it runs, because it does run like a beast. Had a few issues at first with like Windows and whatnot, but all got rectified in the end. So yeah, she seems to be working okay, and long live the old PCA. She did well. She did well. Yeah, so I've been Padders96, and I'll see you all hopefully soon. Take it easy. Goodbye.